Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the whole cover on your washer. The reason why I might have to do this is because the cover is broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. And now we're going to get our washer turned around. So on the back of our washer here, you'll see that we have one space where there's a hole. There are 3 other corners where there's a cover in place, and that just stops any dirt or debris or anything like that from getting inside of your washer that you don't want there. So obviously we want to have that covered. So grab your new OEM replacement cover, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So what you'll see here on the back of our cover is there's a small tab right there. That's where the arrow's pointing that way. So you're going to want to insert right into the hole right there and then push over until it snaps into place. And now what you can do to get one out if you need to is you can just pry it out and then pull it back. So just like that, and it slides right out. We'll put that back into place like so, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.